the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm looking through this box of stuff. And look, it's like a kind of a pill bottle thing or storage thing, and it has some screws. And these screws, they look like maybe they might be board screws from a Commodore 64 or a VIC-20. I'm not sure. Anyway, I have a little bin over there. So I think I will toss them in. And oh, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. We've been looking at all kinds of things, and wait. It's the Commodore C16 shooter cartridge. I could use this if I had a 16 that worked, because I have instructions as to how to put it in and what to do and how I can use not one shift key but both, and don't leave the shift lock key down. There it is. Its own magical thing. Does it work? I don't know. Do I have a Commodore 16 that's working? No. You know what? Years and years and years and years and years ago, I traded a working Commodore 16 for a whole bunch of X10 stuff. X10 stuff. And it had other names. It was beautiful stuff to help you be able to turn on lights and things remotely. Now, of course, we just talk to Alexa or Google. Actually, I only do it with Alexa. Ta-da! I do, but there's the cartridge. So at some point, if I have something to test this with, I will. At some point. But do I have something to test it with? I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. David Bradley, I'm your host. Bye for now.